Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Eugenia. If you like fitness, I'm your sweetheart. So today I come to Mirror Lake of Thailand. You guys can see the view is very natural. Did you guys heard this song before? Row, row, row the boat gently down the stream. If you wanna see the whole video, please don't forget to subscribe me. Love you guys. So we will start from this road to the end. In fact, I feel a little bit nervous of this challenge. Wow, we were lucky to see screen. Now I feel quite easy. Maybe it's not as difficult as I thought before.
You got your trick. No.
I'll admit that I said everything too early.
감사합니다.
đây là hả?
สับปะรดอร่อยจริงมาก
รถฮะ
เห็นแล้ว
ลงทำไหมลงไหมไม่
Uncle has a paintball field. He will prepare delicious paintballs for every tourist. Now Uncle is teaching me how to cut paintballs.
นิดหน่อยนิดหน่อย
I feel that Uncle has magic to make the paintball very obedient. It feels like the paintball is going to slip down in my hand. The work looks very simple, but I look like a butcher.
Okay. Hurry. Come on in. Okay, good.
So now a fitness blogger is becoming addicted to cutting paintballs.
Okay. Up. Bưng bài. Hip up.
哇哦，阿叔的技术太娴熟了。
Okay, more. Have more, have more.
Okay, that's one.
Okay, be careful.
Like this. And come back.
我好像切的比阿叔多。
Yeah.
Done.
OK，ขอบคุณนะคะ
Again. Again.
阿叔说要给我们吃哎。
阿叔的技术太娴熟了，非常棒。在这里除了有美景可以看，还可以吃到阿叔的非常美味的萨布罗。嗨，非常好吃哦。
哇，阿叔摆盘技术也好好。对，ขอบคุณค่ะจ้า
Hi guys, we already finished the first challenge. I rode the boat and lose my nails, but I really enjoying it. It's very exciting experience. So if you guys have time, I really suggest